Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video you will get to know how to use CapCut features if they are not working in your country. All you need to do is to use some VPNs, and I will recommend you top 3 VPNs that I'm using for almost 2 years now, and I'm editing all of my videos in CapCut, so I will recommend you those VPNs as well. So if I show you my screen now, I exit CapCut, open it again, and I'm not connected to any VPN right now. It asks me first of all to sign in, which I was actually signed in. Then go to effect. These are some normal effects. Right now they are showing because I just disconnected my VPN. So in the list, top 3, number 3 is PrivadoVPN. Well, I connected to Switzerland because that's the one working best in China. So now I go to sign in. Now I sign in and open CapCut because I sign in with Google. You can see my account here and all the pro features. Now I create a project. This VPN is connected and you can see the features. Some of the features you will not see here because I'm connected to Switzerland, and now I need to shift to USA and see what kind of features are there. My second VPN recommendation is AHAspeed. The link is in the description and also this code. You can go and check that VPN. I'm using the number 1 VPN that I always use, and that is Shadowrocket VPN. On Android, it's called Matsuri, Clash, V2Ray, Shadowrocket. This is a proxy-based VPN that I'm using on all of my devices all the time. So you can download. The names are different on different devices, but the purpose is same. It's a proxy-based VPN where you need to buy some proxies, and all the tutorials are on my channel where you can go and buy subscription. I'm not here to tell you that every VPN completely free. Oh yeah, it's not free. PrivadoVPN is offering free 10 GB data per month, but other VPNs do not offer. AHAspeed also offers 20 minutes of connectivity every day on a free plan. Meanwhile, Shadowrocket is not an expensive one. It's like $2 you can get 1 month subscription, or even like less than $2. Now I disconnect PrivadoVPN and open Shadowrocket. Here it's not connected now. You can see now it's connected. Now I need to open my CapCut. Once again, quit this app. I can show you my server is UK. Now I open CapCut again. Now go to create a project, go to effects, and these gray dot effects gonna appear, all of them. So here I imported a video. Here you can see that all the pro features and everything is perfectly fine. So if these pro features are the normal CapCut features are not appearing, use Shadowrocket, Privado, AHAspeed. If you can afford, you can use Austral, ExpressVPN. There are tons of VPNs. I'm not saying that only these 3 VPNs will work because, oh yeah, I'm affiliate to these VPNs. You can use any of the VPNs if you want. And if you want to get the discount, then links are in the description. I'm affiliate to all of these VPNs. So if you want to get one, you can get, or otherwise you can use any VPN that works for you. I recommend these VPNs because they are proxy-based VPNs and you can easily set location to the USA or any country you want or any features you want. So that's it. Use CapCut and edit your videos. Put energy into cinematic videos. I'll see you. Bye.